Hello, we thought it would be a good idea to show you how to change the latches over on any of the door locks that you might purchase from UPVC Spares for Repairs, and this is how we do it. This is our Mila lock case, part number 1196. To change the latch position round on this particular part, the screw is here, Phillips screwdriver, unscrew it simply, take out the latch, turn the latch round, reintroduce it, wait until you can see the threads where the screw goes back in, insert the screw, retighten, latch changed.